Los Locos Adams.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together kooky, the Addams Family. Their house is a museum when people come to see them. They really are a museum, the Addams Family. So get a witch's shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams Family.
Estoy mirando por tus ojitos y sueños no quiero despertarme, porque no hay picarona, me voy rindiendo poco a poquito. Estoy mirando por tus ojitos y sueños no quiero despertarme.